So if you look at the story at the footer there on your right, Wamathai recalls Gachagua's ministers. You remember you had this discussion last week?
Yes.
About what happens to the
cabinet.
Yeah, to the cabinet.
That had been elected by Gachagua.
Yeah, it seems that the deputy governor, who is now the governor, has decided to retain all the members of the executive that Gachagua had. I think that this is a good thing. It shows that this is a person who is looking at this thing pragmatically.
Yes.
You know, even if you were to change your whole cabinet in the next 5 months, what are you going to achieve? And if there were things that were ongoing in the Gachagua cabinet, it just makes sense to let them go
carry
ahead.
on.
Yeah. So I found this interesting because we did mention it last week.
Yeah,
that it's one of the things that we need.
I think it would be a very good indication because he has all the power to require, to literally have his own cabinet elected. But then again, of course, the rationale would be questioned as to what they can achieve in that 5 months that's left.
Yeah, when I saw it, I thought it was a good decision. Yeah, I thought it was a fair decision.